What's going on, everyone? I love play to earn games, and so we're going to go over a awesome one today. Sacra is a RPG game that is on the Phantom blockchain. I'll walk you through step by step on actually how to set up your own hero. But as you can see, it is a RPG game, has a little bit of lore already with some of the mechanics: level up and get rewards, solve mysteries and defeat enemies, play and earn in the world, and then unlock the secrets. So these are all the different heroes from Savage, Mage, Assassin, and Thrall. Become a legend. I love it. So we'll walk you through exactly how to set up your first hero, but you will need to buy a Sacra in order to do that, and I'll walk you through how to get that too. I use a decentralized exchange or a bridge to move my crypto over from Binance or Ethereum to the Phantom blockchain. And once you have a little bit of Phantom in your wallet, go ahead and buy now. Go to Phantom of the Opera, and then you have your login here. Then you can delegate. So send Phantom to the delegator for spending on gas. Phantom will be returned to you when you stop delegating. All right, so from my understanding, we do need 10 Sacra, so very inexpensive. We're going to go ahead and swap those. Approve that transaction really quickly. Should be super quick. And it is already done. Well, it's pending right now. Boom, that's done. We're going to go back to our delegation that we saw here. So we're going to go ahead and delegate. We're only going to delegate 0.05. That way we don't have to sign transactions all the time. That's kind of annoying when you have to do that. Let's see what we can delegate. All right, we're going to confirm that. So we can delegate 0.5, and then all we have to do is click play. So we did use a delegation. That's fine. Worry about that later. Boom. And now we can select our hero. If that's Assassin, we talked about this earlier. Thrall, Savage, Mage. Seems like a good choice for overall just, what is it called? A glass cannon. So give it a go. Mage does not have any magic skills from the start. That's fine. We'll call it Crypto Mage. We'll go ahead and improve that. That's where that delegation goes, because it makes it really easy to not have to sign every transaction. It just automatically goes through. So boom, now we have our first character, and we can enter the battle. So call reinforcements, do not shy. We'll click on next. We'll go ahead and skip this for now, and we'll attack them. So here we go. Crypto Mage, go into battle. Boom. One more attack. See how it comes through. Who's going to win? Boom, Crypto Mage with it. We got some rewards here. So as you can see, we are victorious. Continue the adventure. The shrine, we can explore, we can skip. Definitely read the lore. I think it's pretty interesting to go into lore. Definitely you want to check that out. And then we can continue into the shrine. There is a stranger. I don't want to give the whole gameplay away, so definitely check it out. And you start earning at level 5. So make sure that you hit level 5 so you can earn some massive rewards. So I just beat the first biodome, and it was like a 10-minute thing. Earned 0.8 Sacra, and there's 4 more different biodomes that earn much greater rewards. I think the highest level is like 1,000 Sacras, which then allow you to get more heroes, which is pretty sweet. If I go to the different, actually this is my gear score right now, and my rewards. So I can stake my Crypto Mage to earn even more rewards. I just found that out. That's awesome. So I definitely will be buying more mages and other, because it was just so quick to finish this biodome. But what I love is the marketplace is already up and running. You can buy potions of spinach, I believe it is, or I can even sell my character. So if I go to the sell hero section, once this loads up, you can see my gear score. I can sell it and put it on the marketplace. So say I leveled it up to level 5. I can instantly sell it for someone who's looking to get started in earning. And I just click on sell here. Very easy. And I said, these are a bunch of heroes you can buy, the different equipment you can buy. So there is a thriving marketplace already online for it. If you delegate your tokens, it makes the game so much more seamless. So definitely highly recommend that. And it's just a good storyline. So definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.